My name is Kyle Hanley.
And my name is Chandler St Georges, and our app, called Mathstroids, is a multi-directional blaster game that was created to give a middle or high school student a fun and entertaining way to learn about or improve speeds of solving either exponents or multiplication times tables. The student will play as a small red ship that can move across the screen and shoot a projectile that can destroy incoming asteroids and enemy ships, awarding the user with points along the way. When an enemy ship is destroyed, the students will be required to answer a random set of 3 or 5 questions depending on the mode the student chooses, exponents or multiplication. After the student destroys all of the asteroids and the enemy ship on the screen, they will proceed to the next level, which will increase in difficulty by adding an additional asteroid per level.
Our app was created using Unity and Visual Studios with the programming language C#. One problem we encountered during the coding of the script that controls the enemy ship was that the question generator that would enable once the enemy ship is destroyed would generate an infinite amount of questions, blocking the user from progressing through the app. The example on the left is an example of the code where the issue was occurring. The code highlighted with blue was supposed to execute the question generator after user input and answer, and this was supposed to run 3 times, although it would run infinitely. The example on the right was the solution to the problem. The fix, which is the code highlighted in blue, was to create a new variable labeled correct answered. The variable correct answered is assigned a value of 0. Then, when the user answers a question, the variable's value would be checked. If the value was less than a specific number, the variable would increment, and the question generator would execute again and give the user a new equation. After the student answers the set value of questions, the app would continue.
Some other examples of code include our player control script, which allows player movement, a life tracking script, a point tracking script, and a respawning script. Also, the asteroids script, which we wrote C# code to control asteroid movement, spawns smaller asteroids when larger asteroids are destroyed, and controls how many points are awarded when an asteroid is destroyed, depending on the size of the asteroid.
In our tutorial, the student will be able to see the controls for the player character or choose help for solving either exponents or multiplication. Once the student selects the topic they want to be helped in, they can choose between watching a video or seeing a written explanation. The student may also click the link to the video source for more information. Then, once the student thinks they understand the topic, they may answer 5 random practice questions to test if they are ready to proceed through the rest of the app.